Hello, beautiful people. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. I do want to say Happy New Year to everyone. As you can see from the title of this video, I am here to share with you a couple side hustles that you can do as early as today to make yourself some extra money. Now, with that being said, I do want to say that in no shape, form, nor fashion are most of these companies and side hustles that I'm going to be telling you guys about should be considered a job. And the reason why I say that is because most of them you're not going to make enough to live off of, okay? It's going to be enough to maybe pay a bill, maybe buy yourself lunch during the week. Also, some of these companies will be great for younger children who, they always coming to you and saying, Mama, Daddy, you got $5, $10 for me to take to school this week. These will be some great opportunities for them, some of them, to earn a little bit of extra money and stay out of mom and daddy pocket. The first company I'm going to tell you guys about is Rev.com. I have mentioned Rev before. Rev is basically a transcription company that pays their transcribers or their captioners to caption things like movies and TV shows. You can earn anywhere from 40 to 75 cents per video minute, which averages out to about $240 per month. Again, like I said, this might be like a little side hustle or something, okay? Now, they do have top earners who work for Rev who make anywhere from, I've heard, from $1,500 to $2,000 per month. Now, they are paid weekly via PayPal, and I will leave that link down in the description box for you guys to check out. Now, this is more geared towards the adults. This is probably not something for a child because I do think you have to be 18 or older to do this, okay? But Rev.com, you can earn anywhere from 40 cents to 75 cents per minute, which averages out to about $240 per month. The next company I'm going to tell you guys about is a research company. Basically, you're going to be doing surveys. This may be something that you can, let your children or something do. Now, they do say most of these, they're going to ask you, they're going to pose questions, ask you your age, how many people are in your household and things like that. Again, this might be something that you want to do and you can use that money to give to your children. Basically, the surveys take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes and you're paid $3 per survey. Now, you don't have to have a minimum. They give you 300 points, which equals $3 per survey, and you don't have to have a minimum to be able to cash out. So if you do one survey and it's $3, they will send you that $3 to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal, they will also mail you out a check. Yes, they'll actually send you a $3 check in the mail, but PayPal is free. Just set up your PayPal account and get your $3 sent over to PayPal. All right. Another company is Slice the Pie. Now, this is one that is great for younger children, teenagers, or like I said, even if you just want to make you some lunch money to take to work, okay? Because we all know stuff is high, all right? And if you can make a little bit of extra money here and there, if you're sitting at your desk at work or something like that. I made, I think, $5 one day. I was just laying in the bed, had my headphones on. I was listening to some music. Now, what I will say, the longer and more detailed your review on Slice the Pie, the more money that you will make. The reviews pay anywhere from 5 to 10 cents per review. Some of them, like I said, if it's more detailed, it might pay 25 cents or 35 cents. But again, this is something that you're probably only going to make, maybe $5, $6 a day if you're doing it, consistently throughout the day. But that $5, $6 a day will definitely add up for someone who's, 12, 13 years old. You get what I'm saying? So Slice the Pie, all you're doing is listening to music and basically writing, typing in what you thought about the selection of music that you heard. I think the music clips are only maybe 60 seconds long or something like that. Now, the next company is definitely something for adults, and this is geared towards children. Basically, Chegg is an online tutoring company. So if you're good with math, biology, anything like that, this might be a good position for you. They're always looking for tutors to basically tutor children online, and they pay $20 per hour. Now, there are a lot of tutors on there, and they give, Chegg has great reviews, and basically their top earners earn, anywhere from, $1,000 to $1,500 per month. But again, that's their top earners. If you're just going to be tutoring someone for maybe an hour or two here or there, maybe once or twice a week, of course, that you're not going to make $1,000 per month. But again, if you're good with biology, math, or something like that, you might want to check out Chegg. Again, they do pay $20 per hour. I'll put all of this information down in the description box for you guys. Again, you have Rev.com. It's a transcription company that they're hiring captioners right now to basically listen to audio from movies and TV shows and things like that, and basically type what you're hearing. All right. Pinecone Research is a survey company. They pay you $3 per survey. That's the minimum. So the minimum you'll get for a survey on Pinecone Research is $3. So you'll definitely make at least $3, and you don't have to have a minimum payout. You do your survey, they're going to send you your $3, period. Slice the Pie is a company that's great for children, teenagers. They can make, like I said, anywhere from 5 to 25 to 30 cents per review that they do. Again, the more detailed the review, the more money you'll make. So if they're sitting there, on a weekend or something, ain't doing nothing, they can probably do it all day and make, $10 or something. Chegg is great for, again, adults, someone who's great with biology, math, or any other subject, and they can tutor children online for $20 per hour. All right. I'll leave all of this stuff down in the description box. I've also updated my website. I want to encourage you guys to go over to my new channel. I will be putting more of my work at home jobs over there. I do have a legitimate work at home job website, as well as the Facebook page. All of that stuff will be down in the description box for you guys to go and check out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.